Hey everyone. For over 2 weeks now, I've been testing one of the best AI video generators out there, LTX Studio. With just one prompt, it does everything for you. I'm talking script writing, generating characters, creating scenes, animating, and even combining it all together. Normally this process would take hours, but LTX Studio makes it fast and easy. Let me show you how you can create amazing videos just like this example of mine.
In the unforgiving crimson deserts of Mars, our colony faced its greatest trial yet. A brutal meteor storm descended upon us, threatening to wipe out everything we had built. Our fragile existence on this barren world, teetering on the edge of destruction.
That video was made in just a few minutes with LTX Studio. Now, let's dive in and I'll walk you through the entire process so you can create something like this too. All right, let's start by opening LTX Studio. You've got two choices here. You can create a story from a prompt, or you can visualize a concept you already have. If you're a filmmaker with a clear idea, go ahead and use your own concept. But for this tutorial, we're starting with a prompt. I already have one in mind, so I'll type it in. For example, a colony on Mars faces a meteor storm. Once you hit next, the magic begins. LTX Studio automatically creates characters for you based on the prompt. I simply gave it the name Max, and the tool generated Max Johnson as a consistent character for my video. You can customize everything from name, age. For example, if change Max to 50 years old, his appearance updates accordingly. Clothing, you can also choose the character's voice. Let's preview one of the voices.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done than the things that
A man is not old.
As an organizer,
Sounds good, but I prefer the Josh voice, so I'll select that and hit apply. Now that our character is ready, let's move on to the scenes. LTX Studio offers a variety of video styles to choose from. You can go from cinematic to comic book to even 3D models and cyberpunk. For this tutorial, I'm going with a futuristic style, but feel free to explore. You can also adjust the aspect ratio, whether you want a widescreen video, an Instagram post, or even a reel format. Once you've chosen your style, hit generate. Now the AI generates the scenes for us. It breaks the story into different shots, each complete with visuals and voiceover. Let's take a look at scene 1, a wide shot of a desolate Martian landscape with the voiceover saying, Mars, a harsh and unforgiving world. Each scene has multiple images, and when you're happy with how they look, you can generate the video. But first, let's tweak some of these shots. In scene 2, our colonists are huddling in damaged greenhouses. The images are looking good, but I want to show you how to make adjustments. You can change the shot types, like switching from a close-up to a bird's eye view. Let's add a bird's eye shot here to give it a drone-like effect. Just drag the slider and the view changes in real time. You can also add characters into the shot. If you want, you can even upload your own face and replace the characters with your likeness. How cool is that? If you're not happy with the shot, you can use the shot editor to refine it. You can change the prompt to adjust the scene details. Use negative prompts to remove unwanted elements. Adjust the lighting and weather to fit the mood. Control the camera motion, minimal, natural, or extreme. I'll keep the camera motion natural for this video. Once you're happy with everything, click on Generate Video.
In the unforgiving crimson deserts of Mars, our colony faced its greatest trial yet. A brutal meteor storm descended upon us, threatening to wipe out everything we had built. Our fragile existence on this barren world, teetering on the edge of destruction. I knew I had to act. Survival on Mars was always a delicate balance, but this time, nature had thrown its deadliest challenge yet. With limited time and fewer resources, the odds seemed insurmountable. But giving up was never an option. I fought against time, racing to secure the precious resources needed to restore our greenhouses. The heart of our survival, the source of food and life in this desolate land. Every moment felt like a battle, not just against the elements, but against the clock. When I finally returned, battered but unbroken, hope flickered back to life in the colony. The greenhouses, once threatened with ruin, were revived. And with their revival, our community began to thrive once more. I stand now as a testament to our resilience. We are a reminder that no matter how harsh the odds, humanity's spirit is unyielding. Even here on the Red Planet, we endure.
Now that we've set up the scenes, LTX Studio generates the final video. You can preview each shot to make sure it looks great. If something's off, like here where the setting changed to a city instead of Mars, you can just tweak the prompt and regenerate the shot. Once everything's perfect, hit export. You can choose to export it as a pitch deck or a full video. You can even send it directly to editing software like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve to fine-tune it further. One thing to keep in mind, always check the soundtrack to make sure it's not copyrighted. You can upload your own music from platforms like Artlist or Epidemic Sound. Once your video is fully generated and soundtracked, you're ready to go. And there you have it, an entire AI-generated video made in just minutes with LTX Studio. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just curious about AI, this tool is an absolute game changer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe for more AI content. And if you want to see other cool projects I've made with LTX Studio, click on the video you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. LTX Studio is an AI-driven filmmaking tool made specifically for creators, marketers, and filmmakers. It pretty much handles every aspect of film production in one place. So whether you're just starting out or you're already deep into video creation, it gives you all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life as real video content. This tool is pretty innovative. It uses AI to streamline the entire filmmaking process from the initial idea all the way to the final edit. It lets you take a simple concept and turn it into a fully developed AI-generated video, which is pretty amazing. Some of the standout features include things like frame control, which helps you direct your scenes with exact camera angles, and AI storytelling, where you can take anything from a quick idea to a full script and have it turned into a detailed video. It also offers character consistency, so your characters look and feel the same throughout the video, and automatic edits, where it handles all the finishing touches, adding sound effects, music, and even voiceovers. LTX Studio really takes the hassle out of production, scripting, and final edits. It's all about making the process smoother and more intuitive, all within one platform. The main goal? To empower creators to turn their visions into reality, using AI to open up new ways of storytelling. Now, let's take a look at another example of an AI-generated video made with LTX Studio. To the untrained eye, it's quite impressive and looks brilliant, but let's be real, it's essentially just a 3-second image generator. High-definition GIF images stitched together. That's my honest take. Did you notice that it was just a few seconds of different moving pictures? Some of them seemed almost random, though they did stick to the general theme of Mars astronauts and greenhouses. Interesting, right?
Fragile existence on this barren world, teetering on the edge of destruction. I knew I had to act. Survival on Mars was always a delicate balance, but this time, nature had thrown its deadliest challenge yet. With limited time and fewer resources, the odds seemed insurmountable. But giving up was never an option. I fought against time, racing to secure the precious resources needed to restore our greenhouses. The heart of our survival, the source of food and life in this desolate land. Every moment felt like a battle, not just against the elements, but against the clock. When I finally returned, battered but unbroken, hope flickered back to life in the colony. The greenhouses, once threatened with ruin, were revived. And with their revival, our community began to thrive once more. I stand now as a testament to our resilience. We are a reminder that no matter how harsh the odds, humanity's spirit is unyielding. Even here on the Red Planet, we endure.
Thank you for watching.